Well, hello! It has been a very long time since I have uploaded a video to this channel, but I'm very pleased to announce that I am back and I will upload a video in a few days talking all about that. For those of you who have been subscribed to this channel for a while, I just want to say thank you for sticking around even when I've not been here. And for those of you who might have never seen my face before, my name is Amy. This channel is dedicated to beauty videos now, so we've got beauty reviews, like comparing different products and things like that, and of course unboxings like this one. If you are here for the vlogs, or if you like vlogs, fashion content, I've got another channel for that which is just called Amy Astrid. I will put a link to that in the description. But first, let's get into the issue at hand today, which is my first ever Glossybox unboxing. So Glossybox have very kindly sent me this box so that I can share it with you and show you what's inside. They are, if you don't know, a beauty subscription box that come out monthly. They also do a lot of like special edition boxes and things like that. And today we are going to be having a look at the June box. As I said, I've never had a Glossybox before. I don't really know what to expect, but I've seen a lot of people talking about them, so I'm excited to see what all the fuss is about. This box has over £80 worth of product in it, and I think the subscription costs £13 something per month for the UK one. I think there's different ones globally. And of course I wanted to hook you guys up as well, so I do actually have a discount code. If you use code AMYA, I will put it on the screen now, you'll get your first one for £11 including free shipping as well. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. I don't know if this is the box or if there's like another branded box inside. Yes, this is what I've seen before, the pink. If anyone watching these already has Glossybox or has had Glossybox in the past, please let me know what your thoughts are, because I have always wanted to try this and it's just the kind of thing that I've just never gotten around to, so I'm quite excited to see. Okay, first off the bat we've got some vouchers in here. So we've got a £32 wine voucher. That looks really nice actually. We've got 2 HelloFresh vouchers for 60% off your first box. I have had HelloFresh before and I'm actually not very keen. So I probably won't use those. Well, I can't anyway because I've already had my first box. And Skin and Me I am actually quite interested in. We've got a voucher here for 1 month for £3.50, which is usually £25. So if you've been looking to try any of those things, pay £11 for your first Glossybox and you'll save yourself a lot of money. Okay, so here is the box itself. I'm so excited. Let's open the box. Ooh, okay. So we've got, this is what's inside. It's like pass the parcel. Ooh, something smells really nice. I'm really bad at describing smells. Ooh, what's this? Scan Me. Read this month's Glossy magazine. Everyone who already has a lot of these probably knows all of this stuff. I am completely new to all of it. Read this month's Glossy magazine with all your latest product tips and trends. Oh, that's quite good. Okay, so the June box, the theme is Summer Rendezvous. So I'm looking forward to seeing what summery products we've got inside. If I can open it, which right now I cannot. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is what's in the box. Let's just have a look item by item. As you guys know, this is a beauty review channel primarily, so I'm going to be putting these in my review pile. If there's anything you see here that you think, oh actually I really want to know about that, let me know in the comments and I will bump it up so I'll prioritise it and do it faster. So first of all, we have a Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask for eyes. It is a revitalising luxury gold foil eye mask in here. I love things like this, just for like the odd pamper night, but I never really buy eye masks. I think because they're like one-time use. So I guess something like this is kind of perfect because it means I have it and I will use it if I have it, but I never, like if I'm in Boots or whatever, I never think, oh, I'll pick up some eye masks. They have actually sent me an email that says everything that's in the box that I haven't looked at yet, but I'm just going to quickly have a quick look to see how much these are worth. Okay, so this is a Lucky Dip product, which means that it's not the same in every box. So these are, new subscribers will all receive these. They're worth £6 and they are a full size product. And then current subscribers will either receive, as their Lucky Dip product, a Philosophy Purity Cleanser, a deluxe sample size of that, or a Philorgia Oxygen Glow Cream, a deluxe sample size of that. So your Lucky Dip product will be worth between £6 and £10. So this is the lowest value item in the box. So we started on a good one. What is this? Soap. Green Frog Beauty Lemongrass Soap Bar. So this is worth £2.95. It is absolutely tiny. It does smell nice, to be fair. Oh, I think that is what smelled really nice. I mean, I'm sure it's lovely. I probably wouldn't have bought it because I tend to use pump soaps, but it is nice. But it is vegan and cruelty free, and this is worth £2.95. So actually, this is the lowest value item in the box. I mean, soap is always helpful, isn't it? I find things like that so boring to buy, so it's useful to just have extras. Okay, next we have, ooh, fancy, a L'Occitane hand cream for dry skin. It says it's 20% shea butter, and this is a 30ml bottle, or tube, however you want to put it. God, my hands are actually suddenly really dry. This is a deluxe sample size, and it is worth £8. I'm gonna try it. You know when you suddenly become aware of something and you're like, oh my god, like when you suddenly realise that you're really thirsty or you really need a wee, that's how I suddenly feel about how dry my hands are. Release me from these shackles. Okay, that's definitely too much. Yeah, definitely too much. Ooh, it smells nice though. It smells quite clean. It smells a bit like talcum powder. That has sunk in very well. Nice. Okay, ooh, okay, this is going to come in handy. The next thing that I have is the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. I actually really need a new bronzer. Mine is about to run out. I've been using the Benefit Hoola bronzer for literally years, and I'm finally coming to the end of it. But because I've been using it for so long, I don't know what I want to replace it with. Like, I want something different. I can't get into the box. I want something different because, I don't know, I've just been using it for so long that I want to try something else. But oh my god. What? I'm being beaten by a tiny bronzer box. Nah, what? What's wrong with me? Okay, we're in. Here is the bronzer. Like, I am an actual savage. Look at what I just had to do to that box. You can't really see. But here is the bronzer by Ciate London. This is in the shade Palm Island, and it says that it's a powder bronzer. Ooh, that looks quite nice. It's a very matte, like warm brown shade, and it's got the really nice little star imprints on there as well. Lovely. I'm excited to try that. So this is a deluxe sample size as well, and it is worth £8. And then we have the last piece in this box, which is like the thing that costs the most money. So this is worth £60, $59.99, and this is a full-size bottle of the Dr. Eve Reyouth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. I've never heard of this stuff, and I've never seen a night moisturizer come in a bottle like this. Normally they're like tubs, aren't they? Apply a pea-sized amount to your face and massage it in at night. That's it. Those are the only instructions. Let me have a look up about this product. Okay, so this is a 60ml bottle, and I've just looked it up on the brand's website as well, and it actually says that it's £59.99 for a 50ml bottle. So by the looks of things, this is actually bigger than their standard size, which is worth £60 for the standard size. So this is worth like £70-ish. Maths. This is also vegan, and it says that it's 98% natural. It is formulated for people with an uneven skin tone, helps with sun and age spots, and also dehydrated skin. So it contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. It is limited edition as well, apparently. The hyaluronic acid that's in there, the argan oil and rose oil as well. It brightens up your uneven skin tone, and it plumps up your skin if it's looking a little bit tired. Vitamin C is of course an antioxidant. It helps with the signs of aging, and it helps to make your skin look brighter, more youthful, more healthy, all of that kind of stuff. And hyaluronic acid is naturally occurring in the skin, so we're just topping that up to add to the hydration, the kind of plump look of the skin. So I'm really excited to try this. To be honest, I haven't used a night cream in ages. I've just been kind of using the same moisturiser day and night. I've been using the Clinique Moisture Surge. But so I'm excited to try something that's maybe a little bit more heavy duty. In fact, let me just check the texture. Oh, it's not what I expected. It's a lot smoother than I expected. I find some night creams to be quite like pasty. Smells lovely. It smells quite lemony, or like lemongrass, lemon, citrus. I'm not very good with describing scents. Okay, so those are the 5 products that have come in this month's Glossybox. I'm definitely going to add the night cream and also the eye mask to my beauty reviews pile, so I'll make sure to film my reactions to those. So if you are interested in seeing how I got on with those products, do let me know, and stick around, subscribe if you're not already. I will say that a lot of these products are not necessarily things that I would have picked up to try for myself, but that being said, for like between £11 and £14, depending on whether you're a first time user and whether you're using my code or not. I do think there's value in this if you are the kind of person who likes to try different beauty products, and it's like I'm wrapping a little present. It's like my birthday. I loved it. If you are someone who has used Glossybox before, please let me know what your thoughts are, and if you're not, I'm open to all opinions. But yeah, this is my first one, so I'm quite excited to see over the next few months what's involved, what I can try. I love trying new beauty products and things. Basically the whole reason for my YouTube channel is just to give me an excuse to do that. So this is a double excuse. Don't forget that if you would like to purchase this month's Glossybox, you can do so using my code AmyA to get your first box for £11 with free shipping. And I will put a link in the description as well where you can go to do that, as well as links to all of these products so that you can check them out individually too. As I said at the beginning of the video, but I do just want to say it again, if you have stuck around while I've not been here for almost a year, I just want to say a huge thank you. I will be back soon. I have been over on my Instagram, so if you want to see what I've been up to, you can head over there, but I will do a big catch up soon. Let me know in the comments if you've got any particular questions or anything like that. And I will be back with regular videos here and on my second channel too, which is all about, you know, vlogs, lifestyle, travel stuff. But this one is all for beauty now. I feel refreshed. I feel ready for a fresh start. And yeah, thank you very much for sticking by me for the last few months. It's been a little bit rough, but here we are. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you found it helpful, if you want me to do more videos like this, let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm getting really close to 10,000 subscribers, which feels like it's kind of come out of nowhere. But if you could help me make that happen, I will be thrilled. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in a few days' time. Bye.